Have you ever wondered how to make money from Printful? Allow me to shed some light. Printful is essentially your gateway to the world of e-commerce. It's an on-demand order fulfillment and warehousing service that takes care of the heavy lifting for your online business. Imagine having an array of products at your disposal, from clothing and accessories to home and living items, without the hassle of inventory management or shipping logistics. That's what Printful brings to the table. It fulfills and ships products directly to your customers, leaving you with more time to focus on what you do best, creating and marketing your unique designs. Through Printful, you can tap into a lucrative source of income, harnessing the power of dropshipping to turn your creative ideas into tangible products. So, if you're looking for a way to make money online, Printful might be an excellent choice for you. Alright, let's dive straight into how you can start making money from Printful. First things first, you're going to need to set up a Printful account. Don't worry, it's a breeze. The process is straightforward and user-friendly, designed to get you up and running as quickly as possible. Navigate to the Printful website. On the top right corner, you'll see a button that says Start Selling. Click on it. This will take you to a page where you can create your new account. Now, you'll be asked to fill out your email address and create a password. Make sure to use an email you check regularly, as important notifications and updates will be sent there. As for your password, choose something secure and unique to ensure the safety of your account. Once you've done that, click on Register. A confirmation email will be sent to your provided email address. Check your inbox, find the email from Printful, and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. The next step is crucial. You'll need to complete your account setup by filling out necessary information such as your name, address, and contact details. This information is vital for smooth transactions in the future. You'll also be asked to select your business type. Whether you're an individual creator or a business entity, select the option that best suits your situation. Then, you'll need to provide payment information. This is the data Printful will use to charge you for the products you sell. You can choose between credit card or PayPal. Rest assured, Printful has secure systems in place to protect your financial information. Lastly, don't forget to review and accept Printful's terms of service. Take a minute to read through it. It's essential to understand the rules of engagement. Once you've completed these steps, click on Finish Setup. And voila! You've just set up your Printful account. And there you have it, you've successfully created your Printful account. Now you're ready to start creating and selling your unique products. Let's move on to the next step, shall we? Now that you've set up your Printful account, it's time to choose your products. Printful offers a wide array of products that you can customize to your liking. From apparel like t-shirts and hoodies, to accessories like hats and tote bags, to home and living items like posters and mugs, the possibilities are virtually endless. But the key to success isn't just about having a lot of options, it's about choosing the right ones. You see, each product you select should align with your brand and resonate with your target audience. Think about who your customers are. What do they like? What are their needs? If you're targeting a younger, more trendy crowd, maybe graphic tees and snapback hats are the way to go. If your audience is more into home decor, perhaps custom posters and throw pillows would be a hit. Next, consider your brand. The products you choose should reflect your brand's style and values. If you're all about sustainability, for instance, opt for eco-friendly products. If your brand is high-end and luxurious, go for premium items. Remember, the goal is to create a cohesive product line that tells a story, your brand's story. There's no one-size-fits-all approach here. It's about trial and error, testing different products, and seeing what works best for your business. Remember, selecting the right products is crucial for the success of your business. So take your time, do your research, and choose wisely. Once you've chosen your products, the next step is to design them. Now this is where your creative juices come into play. On Printful, there are a couple of ways you can go about this. First off, you can use Printful's design templates. These are pre-made designs that you can simply slap onto your product, tweak a little bit to fit your brand, and voila, you have a product ready to sell. This is a great option if you're not particularly artistically inclined or if you just want to get your store up and running as quickly as possible. But maybe you're the type who likes to have total control over your product's look and feel. If that's the case, you can also upload your own designs onto Printful. Maybe you've got a graphic designer on your team, or maybe you are the graphic designer. Either way, this option gives you the freedom to create something truly unique. Now, regardless of whether you choose to use a template or upload your own design, there's one thing you need to keep in mind. the quality of your design is paramount. This is because your design is the first thing your customers will see. It's what will catch their eye and draw them in. So, you want to make sure your design is crisp, clear, and appealing. Think about it. Would you be more likely to buy a shirt with a blurry, pixelated image or a shirt with a sharp, vibrant design? The answer is obvious. And your customers will think the same way. So invest time and effort into creating high-quality designs. It'll be worth it in the end. Moreover, your design should also reflect your brand. It should align with your brand's values, aesthetics, and target audience. This will help build a coherent brand identity, which is key to attracting and retaining customers. So, get creative, experiment, have fun with it. Because at the end of the day, your designs are what will set your products apart from the competition. They are what will make your brand memorable. A well-designed product can be the key to your business success. So take this step seriously, put your heart and soul into it, and watch as your business flourishes. Now that you've designed your products, it's time to set up your online store. Setting up an online store might seem a daunting task, but with platforms like Etsy and Shopify, it's become a breeze. Both platforms offer user-friendly interfaces, a wide range of customization options, and easy integration with Printful. Let's start with Etsy. To set up a store, you'll need to create an account, select a unique shop name, and list your products. The beauty of Etsy is its focus on handmade, vintage, and unique goods, a perfect platform to showcase your Printful designs. Next up, Shopify. This platform is a little more complex but offers more control over your store's look and feel. To set up a Shopify store, you'll need to sign up for an account, choose a store name, and select a theme that matches your brand's aesthetics. Then, you can start adding your Printful products. But how does Printful fit into all this? Well, Printful seamlessly integrates with both Etsy and Shopify. Once you've set up your online store, you can connect your Printful account to it. This allows Printful to automatically fulfill and ship orders that come through your online store. To integrate Printful with Etsy, you'll need to install the Printful app from the Etsy App Store and follow the prompts. For Shopify, you'll have to add Printful as a sales channel in your Shopify settings. Remember, the key to a successful online store is consistency. Ensure your product listings are detailed and engaging, your store's design aligns with your brand, and your customer service is top-notch. And there you have it. You've set up your online store and connected it to your Printful account. It's a process, but each step brings you closer to running a profitable online business. With your online store set up, you're now ready to start selling your products. Setting up your store is only half the battle. Now it's time to market and sell your products. In a world where consumers are bombarded with a plethora of options, standing out is the key. So what are the strategies you can employ to ensure your products don't just blend in? Firstly, let's talk about social media marketing. It's no secret that platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter are where your potential customers spend a significant portion of their time. Utilize these platforms to showcase your products, create engagement, and build a community around your brand. Next up, email marketing. This is a powerful tool to reach out directly to your customers. Craft compelling newsletters, share updates, and offer exclusive deals to keep your subscribers hooked. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of search engine optimization or SEO. By optimizing your product descriptions and using relevant keywords, you can ensure your products show up when potential customers are on the hunt. But remember, the world of marketing is ever evolving. What works today may not work tomorrow. So, stay curious, keep learning, and adapt your strategies based on what your data and customers are telling you. Remember, the key to making money on Printful is not just creating and selling products, but also effectively marketing them. So, are you ready to start making money on Printful? We've walked through the steps together and hopefully, you're feeling more equipped to dive into this exciting venture. Remember, it all begins with setting up your Printful account. Next, we explored the world of product selection, highlighting the importance of choosing items that resonate with your brand and your customer base. Designing your products is another critical step, as it's here where your creativity truly comes into play. Unleash your imagination to make your products stand out. Setting up your online store is the next phase of the journey. This is your store's digital home, and it's crucial to make it as inviting as possible for your customers. Finally, we delved into the realm of marketing and selling your products. This is where your entrepreneurial spirit will truly shine. With patience, creativity, and a bit of marketing savvy, you can start making money on Printful, so why wait? Start today. Start